How to log into your DrawingBox employee account. To access your DrawingBox employee account, follow these steps. First of all, DrawingBox portals are customized for each organization, resulting in unique login URLs. So, in order to do that, make sure that you have the correct URL or correct login essential needed. First of all, open the web browser on your desktop or device, then search for the DrawingBox employee login and hit enter. Then all you have to do is tap on the DrawingBox login option available at the top and navigate to its official website. Now, once you do so, all you have to do is input your username and password in the respective fields. If your organization utilizes SSO, select the appropriate option and sign in with your identity provider and follow the prompts. If you have forgotten your password, click on the Forgot Password link and follow the instructions to reset it. If you are unsure of your organization's DrawingBox URL or encounter issues logging in, please contact your HR or IT department for assistance. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.